welcome to Natural Beauty Adventure, guys. After a long time we making this video due to the coronavirus. Today we are come to Thorgu Waterfall. So we drop our motorbike there and we need to walk. So we start our walking journey. So come on there mountain, that is our destination. And today engineer Shahid with us. So hope you will enjoy this video also. Let's see. There is a local boy who will tell us about the path of Thorgu Waterfall. Guys, you are seeing the Thorgu village, which is a very beautiful area from this height. You see very green area and different houses are you looking from here. So we need to go up there. On the hill there is a Thorgu Waterfall. Hello guys, we walk about at least 10 minutes. It's a very straight path, so it's difficult to climb. I don't know how much time more required to go there. Obviously there is a waterfall you're looking. It's very amazing view. To hope more 20 to 25 minutes to reach there. Let's see. The water is too cold and very dry if you are so tired, and see there is a very beautiful scene of waterfall. Let's go. Guys, it's too much difficult path to climb. It's very straight, so very difficult, and I have not enough stamina for it. I'm very tired. How much time left?
I think 10 minutes to reach there.
Oh, almost when I reach there, more 10 minutes, but it's very tight. Let's see. The most important thing of this is that you need not to bring with water with you. Every step you can drink a water which is come from the mountain. It is ice water, so here's the cold water and very tasty also. Guys, it's very difficult, but my friend engineer Shahid is have a good stamina, so he climbed too fast and always in front of me, but little bit I have not good stamina. Just reach. You see there, very beautiful waterfall. Guys, we just reached waterfall, Thorgu Waterfall. Here is, you see the window, with a droplet of water. I cannot wait to stay here. I'm going to there under the waterfall and enjoy. It's very too good. Let's see. We go there. It's amazing! How do you hard time? After reach here, you miss all these things. It's a very good idea. You don't see the droplet of water too much. Wow! It's amazing! Hope you will enjoy it if you come here. It's a very amazing place. I suggest everyone to come here. Little bit difficult for climbing, but it's amazing. It's really amazing. Wow. Guys, you see there is a rainbow also in the camera. It's a very sacred place. Most of the people did not know. I tried to go there, but too much water. Wow! Too much water here. here the sunset is near to 2, so the temperature is too cold here. So we decided to a little bit more time here, and after it we will go to home deck. You see that the path is very dangerous. You can slip from here. It's very high, so be careful about it. But the temperature is too cold. You see the glasses on my side. I think you see the wind is too cold, and it's amazing to enjoy. I am enjoying more here. Hope you also enjoy. I also request all my viewers to come here if you really wanna enjoy. I wanted to go that side because this waterfall is just like to try. I just jumped from this side, so I wanted to see from here. I tried to climb on this side. The water is nice, you see. My clothes is wet. Hope I wanted to show from this point of view. Let's see. Guys, you cannot see more from this because the water come on my camera screen. So hope I just saw a little view from here. And guys, we enjoy a lot of this trip, and we are going back to now. So we are also taking what we ever take from with us. So I also request our viewer, if anyone come here, so if anything you take, don't drop here. It is a picnic point, and so not dirty this area. Let's see what about my feeling of my friend. He also me engineer. What do you feel about this today trip?
Yes, guys, I have come here. It's the second time, so I have enjoyed, and it's an amazing place. So I suggest you guys please come and enjoy.